Here's my good friend, Cipriano. He's here showing us his exceptional HVAC skills. He pulled a deep vacuum on this Carrier branded AC unit. He works remarkably fast. This guy is quite a pleasure to work with. He's the master of the trade. He's been doing it for close to a decade. Here's his Cipriano. He's a guy in training. Look at him up and coming up in the game. He's a young buck. This is the future HVAC, and then we're gonna go in here and check to see the inside. So right here, you see this marvelous work that he's done. He's lined up the easy trap with the condensate pump right there. He has his evaporator coil with his HVAC signage. He has the return on the right, or the left side coming in. And then we look at this venting right here. This is your sheet metal venting for an 80% gas furnace. That's common vented with an atmospheric water heater. Now, this is an R454B refrigeration system. That means it's slightly flammable. A slightly flammable R454B AC system requires this dissipation board. When you see a constant LED present, you know it's good. This here is the easy trap, and there's your brush to clean it out. In addition to that, you see that right here we have this condensate pump wired with an integrated overflow switch inside of it. And then right here, back to this side of the unit, you see that he puttied it well. These are notorious for sweating when it's very humid. It's an easy callback if you don't put that putty. I think it's super cool. You want to make sure you're diligent with that putty. And then over here we have our Carrier gas furnace. And these Carrier gas furnaces now come with these LED lights. So it says CL, it's on cooling. This is a 66,000 BTU, 80% gas furnace. You can set it up for different airflows depending on your need. Here we see he has left the furnace on the on position. Many inside has made a mistake where we forget to put the gas valve in the on position. Just take a quick look around. It's looking good. Now, if you wanted to switch the fan speeds on here, because you were either overshooting or undershooting the temperature difference across the boiler, and usually you're looking for a 20-degree temperature drop, you would have to take off this panel, and there's some dip switches you can modulate. Granted, of course, you would want to first make sure that you have a clean air filter and make sure that your subcooling at the outdoor unit is reflective of a properly typed system. So, yep. Lastly, you put here the liquid line dryer. This is a good field practice. It helps to avoid instances where the filter dryer being exposed to the elements can spring a leak. I've hardly seen that ever happen, really, but it's something that I've heard AC service tech mention. So I'll go with his opinion on the matter since it's really thorough. Okay, so here we see details, right? So we have opened dampers for the airflow to be entirely, we never want to have like a partially closed damper when we're fine tuning the refrigerant charge upon conclusion of the replacement of a system. We want to have everything open as we commission it. that concludes this